Are you tired of missing an important email from your favorite online stores, banks, or friends? Do you find yourself going through your spam folder only to discover that a crucial message was buried beneath a pile of junk mail? You are not alone. According to recent studies, over 20% of legitimate emails end up in the spam folder. But today, I'm going to show you a simple trick to ensure that important emails always land safely in your inbox. In this video, I'll walk you through the easy steps to whitelist an email, and by the end of this video, you know exactly how to keep your important emails safe from the spam folder. So let's get started. Watch to the end to learn how to whitelist an email address and never miss an important update again. Before I dive into the easy steps, click on the subscribe button if you're just seeing my video for the first time, and press the notification bell so you won't miss any future updates. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your browser. In my case, it is Microsoft Edge. Step 2. Click on the search bar and type gmail.com. Step 3. Make sure you signed in on your browser. If you're not, quickly input your Gmail address and password to log in. Step 4. Click on the J icon. The J icon is this. This is the J icon. It is in between the support icon and the Google Apps icon. Step 5. Select See All Settings. Step 6. Navigate to the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. Step 7. Select Create a New Filter. Step 8. In the form section, enter the email address or domain you want to add to the Gmail whitelist. Step 9. Click Create Filter. The final step, check the Never Send It to Spam box. And check Star It. You can also check Mark it as important or check Ignore Inbox. You want to archive mails from this particular domain. For the purpose of this tutorial, check the Never Send It to Spam box. That's it. You've successfully whitelisted an email address on Gmail. From now on, emails from that sender or coming from that domain will always land in your inbox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. I will see you in my next video. Stay tech savvy.